Hello everyone, I am your trainer Maurice Monene. In today's session we are going to discuss on how we can do the operation on the octal number system. We know that octal number systems are a number and a base 8, and just the way we does the operation on the decimal number system, still we can do the operation on octal number system. So to begin with, here I have an example where we have to subtract the following octal numbers. That is 4,625 base 8 minus 2,573 base 8. So to work out these, we can just take it to be, maybe we can divide here, and then we have 4,625, then minus 2,000, then 543 and 43, and then we can subtract that. So we have first, we can subtract 5 minus 3, which gives us a 2, and then we have 2 minus 4. This one is impossible, so we borrow 1 from 6, and if we borrow 1 from 6 here, we know that the ones or the tens of these becomes what comes as 8. So we have 8 plus 2 now becomes 10. 10 minus 4, we get 6. And then we were left here with 5. Then we have 5 minus 5, here is a 0. And then 4 minus 2, here is 2. So the answer to this is 2, 0, 6, 2 base 8. So that is how we can subtract this. To counter check these numbers, if we can change this one maybe to decimal number system, we can have this. We have 5, then multiply by the ones, which is 8 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Then maybe plus, we have 2 times 8 raised to power 1. Then maybe plus, we have 6 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2, and then we also have plus 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power 3. So remember, this one we want to get the total values in terms of we convert it to decimal number system. So 5 raised to multiplied by 8 raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 5, here we get 5. We get 5 here, and then plus, here we have 8 raised to power 1 is 8 multiplied by 2. This one is a 16, and then plus the other one is 6 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2, which is a 64. So that means we have this one 384. Then plus, we have 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power 3. 8 raised to power 3 is 512. Then we multiply by 4, we get answer being 2048. And if we had all these, we get the answer being 2453. 453 base 10. So let us convert the other so that we can subtract them. We see if we are going to get the same answer. So the other one, we have 3 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0, then plus 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1, and then plus the other one is 5, then times 8 raised to power 2, 8 raised to power 2, and then plus the other one is 2, then times 8 raised to power 3, 8 raised to power 3. We know that any number raised to power 0 is 1. Then we have 3 multiplied by 1, which gives us a 3. Then plus 8 raised to power 1 is 8 multiplied by 2. This one gives us a 32. Then plus 5 multiplied by 64. This one gives us a 320. And then plus the last one, which is 8 raised to power 3, which is 512. Then multiplied by 2. This one will give us 1024. So if we add 3 plus 32 plus 320 plus 10 raised to power plus 1024, this one we get 1340. we get 8 to be, maybe for example, we get 8 to be 3079. That is 1379 base 10. So let us subtract the 2. We see if we are going to get the answer being so. So we can move to the next. We subtract, we see. So in this, we are going to subtract the 2. We see if we are going to get the same value. So we are going to have 2000, then 453, then we minus 1379, and this one, if we subtract this, we get 4 here, then we get 7, 0 and 1. So let us convert this one to octal. We see if it is true. So we are going to have 110 form, then we divide by 8 here, and if we divide by 8 here, we get this one is 134 remainder 2, and then if we divide by 8 here again, we get this one is 16, then remainder 6, and then if we divide by 8 here, we get this one is 2 remainder 0, and then if we divide by 8 here, we get this one is 0 remainder 2. So we can start recording from the least significant binary bit or most significant digit to a more significant digit, and in this we get this, the answer being 2062 base 8, which was the answer that we got while we subtracted directly. So that is how you can subtract the octal number systems, and also maybe counter check, you see if you are correct or wrong. And that brings us to the end of this session. I was your trainer, Maurice Monene. If you found this video of benefit to you, please consider subscribing, like and share it. The more you do this, it is a blessings that you bring to this channel. Thank you.